Hey everyone, can you hear the rain outside? We've just got this beautiful rain coming down at the moment. So let's get into our balance about choosing to be an inspiration, choosing to live our best life, choosing to have that cup full. So let's see where it goes. Okay, so let's have a look. Okay, so feet, head. Oh, and the one that was at the feet the other day was zeolite, Z-E-O-L-I-T-E, a zeolite crystal. So zeolite in nature helps to suck toxins out of the body. So it does it in the earth, it does it in our bodies. It's quite amazing. So let's just run that central meridian. Okay, brain. Okay, heart. I am an inspiration. I choose to live my best life. I choose to be a tribal person. I choose the best version of myself. I choose to live my best life. I am an inspiration. I am happy, healthy, and free. Okay, so there's a deep survival pattern. I'll stack that in. And the celestial circuit is out, so let's check that celestial circuit. Okay, is it in first, second, or third stage stress? So it's third stage stress. So is it on the left side, the right side? So it's on the masculine side of the body. Do we need the best technique? Something else? Something else? ESR oscillation chakra, essence, cranial chakras, tuning fork. So it's a tuning fork combo. Okay, so the right side of the body is the masculine. So being an inspiration, living our best life, there's exhaustion. So masculine is about doing, so there's an exhaustion of that masculine energy in the body. So lung and lung. So lung energy is about grief, guilt, regrets. And then it's large intestine. So that's large intestine and lung. They're the yin and yang in the body. They're both metal elements and they're to do with grief, guilt, regret of all sorts of layers. Let me just pause for a moment. I'll grab the tuning fork book and then we'll go from